Hello my flavor lovers, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you how I handle snow in Texas. Well, that's with my goat meat and Irish potato pepper soup recipe. Yes, you heard me right, Irish potato. So here I'll be using goat meat and some stripe, liver, intestine, all from the goat meat. As you can see, I had already started cooking my meats, which I only added chopped onion and bay leaf for flavor. At this point, I am checking to see if my meat is halfway done so I can put in my salt. Overall, I used about 5 to 6 lb goat meat for this recipe. After adding my salt, I covered my pot. Then it's time to work on the magic. I already added ginger, garlic, onion and ghost pepper, well, scotch bonnet pepper into my blender. I'll be using bebe, white pepper, country onion, black pepper as well, some cloves and ginseng. I went ahead to measure my spices because trust me, if one of these spices is over, your pepper soup will be bitter and you do not want that. This is about a teaspoon of country onion. I followed with 3 cloves. Here is a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, followed by dried basil, rosemary, and our queen spice, ginseng. Remember, this is pepper soup, not ginseng sauce. I beg, pepper soup. Added some water to my blender and blended my spices to the smoothest level. Here are our Irish potatoes ready to be peeled. You can go with more or less potatoes, depends on you. Our pepper soup spices are done blending and it's very smooth. At this point, my kitchen was already smelling pepper soup. It's not even cooked yet. Oh my god. Let's go check our goat meat. Our goat meat was about 70% done. It's time to pour in our Irish potatoes and our spices so they can all cook together. Look at my pot! Where are my meat lovers? I have a question for you. Do you think pepper soup has an actual recipe? If you ask me, I would say no. Because me for one, I have about 3 recipes for pepper soup. Not for different protein, I mean for goat meat alone. Who knows, maybe I'll discover the 4th one soon. Added some water to our pot so we could get enough soup. It's pepper soup. Tasted it to see if our salt was good and it was top notch. Went in with our seasoning cube, stirred it a little bit and added another leaf of bay leaf for flavor. Covered my pot and let it cook until the potatoes are done. Once they're done, our pepper soup is ready. After a little over 15 minutes, I came back to this. Heavenly smell. God, you good. Look at that pot. Look at that pot and tell me you don't want to eat pepper soup. And I'll call you a liar. Well, that's if you're a pepper soup lover though. Take a closer look. The soup is not thick and it's not too watery. It's soup. It's not stew. It's soup. I know someone is asking, are you sure that potato is done? Yes, it's done. Okay, look at it. I'm going to break this one. And boom, it's very well done. I went ahead to add in some scallion for more flavor and to make it look good, of course. I added some vegetable oil, just a little, because it was too hot and I really wanted my kids to eat this. That's the final result. Of course, I have to taste it first. I'm the one that cooked it, please. If you watched to this point, please show me some love and encouragement by following me, comment, and share. Thank you and enjoy. If you try this, let me know how yours came out. Keep yourself warm and stay blessed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.